Hare Krishna, today we are making some curry. Let's get started. We're making with ground dal, 100% yellow split peas flour. Two cups. We are making 2 cups. I'm using Himalaya pink salt. A little red chili powder. Combine together. We need 2 cups of water. 2 cups and a half water. Mix well. Half a teaspoon turmeric. Stir properly. Gotta put the pot on and you put some ghee. Some ghee in the pot. 2 types of hing. You lower your heat and you pour it in and keep stirring it. And now you have to add some more water. 1, 2, 3 cups of water. We will need some more also while we thicken. We'll add some more water. The heat on high so it can cook. While it's getting thicker, you add 2 cups of water again and let it boil. While it's boiling, you just liquefy it with this electric blender. It has to be like this, thick. If you find it's too thick, you can add a cup of water. 2 cups of water again. It depends how thick you want it. You can add more water if you want it to be thinner, or you can leave it like this. Remove from heat and you put some ghee in a pot. 1/4 of a teaspoon cumin seeds. Let it roast a little bit in the ghee, and you pour it on the curry. And you stir it. You add half a teaspoon ground cumin. It can be served with rice or anything you like quinoa or roti. Bye.